Hey guys, this is SMIG, a ready mixed plaster. More information on this on my previous TikTok video. You can use this to skim walls, fill holes and much more. I'll be making another video on this product in which I'll be skimming walls using the SMIG roll-on plaster. Now SMIG is newly on the market and backed by many positive reviews, being sold in major DIY stores and online. Today I'll be using this ready mixed compound to fill up holes in the wall. Firstly, I've sanded down the surface. Applied one coat of SMIG filler, making sure all the holes are covered up. Let it dry for about an hour. Then I've applied another coat. Once all dried up, I've used a 120 grit sandpaper to lightly sand it down until I got an even wall and a smooth finish. This has been one of the best ready mix compound I have used in regards to how easily it can be applied and sanded down to get a smooth wall finish to finally paint on. Give it a shot guys, peace.